Markets ended a volatile session on a positive note. While experts see high volatility and correction in the coming days, Sensex was up over 200 points, comfortably above 60,000. Nifty was able to stay above 18,000 with a rise of a meager 52 points. Gains in financial and IT shares pushed the headline indices higher, though losses in metal scripts played spoilsport. HCL Tech, Adani Ports, HDFC, Tech Mahindra, ONGC, some of the top Nifty movers. Nifty Metal declined 2% today. Top laggards included the likes of JSW Steel, Tata Steel, BPCL, Hindalco and Coal India. Meanwhile, the rupee appreciated by 14 paise to settle at 73.9 against the US dollar. The deadline for filing income tax returns has been extended to 15th of March. In a circular issued this evening, the Finance Ministry has also extended the deadline for filing various audit reports. According to the Ministry, this was being done on consideration of difficulties reported by taxpayers and other stakeholders due to COVID and an electronic filing of various reports of audit. While the new deadline for audits is 15th of February, individuals in other categories have been given till 15th of March to file their income tax returns for 2020-21. The Government of India is set to become the largest shareholder in Vodafone Idea, as well as hold around 9.5% of Tata Teleservices after boards of both companies decided to exercise the conversion option offered in lieu of pending interest dues. The board of Vodafone Idea, which met on Monday, has approved the conversion of an estimated 16,000 crore rupees. That's the amount of interest related to spectrum auction installments and adjusted gross revenue dues into equity. Here's more on that story.
It's one of India's most well-known mobile service providers, and now the government will own nearly 36% equity in Vodafone Idea. The company's board of directors at its meeting today approved the conversion of the full amount of interest related to spectrum auction installments and AGR dues into equity. The interest amount is expected to be about 16,000 crore, subject to confirmation by the Department of Telecom. Since the average price of the company's shares as of 14th of August last year was below par value, the equity shares will be issued to the government at the par value of 10 rupees per share. The conversion will result in dilution to all the existing shareholders of the company, including the promoters. Following the conversion, the government would hold around 35.8% of the total outstanding shares. The two promoter shareholders, Vodafone Group, which holds around 28.5%, while the Aditya Birla Group shareholding is expected to be around 17.8%. In light of the conversion of interest into equity, the Vodafone Idea promoters have agreed to amend the existing shareholders' agreement for reducing the minimum qualifying threshold from 21 to 13% for exercising certain governing rights like the appointment of directors and the appointment of certain key officials, among others. Meanwhile, Tata Teleservices Maharashtra said that an empowered committee of its board of directors had earlier today sought to convert an estimated 850 crore rupees of interest dues into equity. The government may hold the equity in the two telcos through the statutory undertaking of the Unit Trust of India or through a trustee-type suitable arrangement. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.